Have you ever wondered why some apps feel easy to use while others are frustrating? It's not just luck, it's psychology. In this video, I'll break down the most important UX laws. Hick's Law. The more choices a user has, the longer it takes to decide. Hick's Law says that people take more time to decide when there are more choices. When there are many options, it takes longer to decide. This can make the user experience harder. Let's see a good example of Hick's Law. On Amazon, the Buy Now button lets you buy a product with just one click. There aren't many choices to think about. It's fast, simple, and helps users make quick decisions. Use one primary button, Buy Now or Sign Up, to avoid decision overload. Let's discover Fitz's Law. The closer and bigger a button, the easier it is to click. The time to reach a target depends on its size and distance. Small, isolated buttons are difficult to target and click. Large, well-spaced buttons are easier to interact with. Closer elements require less time and effort to reach. This improves speed and makes the user experience more efficient, especially on mobile or touch devices. Good example of Fitz's Law. Google's search button is big and centered, making it easy to click. Jacob's Law states, users expect your site to work the same way as other sites they already know. Familiar design equals better user experience. Familiar design patterns make users feel comfortable. If your app or website behaves like others they already use, it's easier to learn and navigate. For example, if someone uses Instagram or LinkedIn and learns that double-tapping a photo likes it, they may expect the same action to work in other photo apps too. This shows how users build habits based on familiar designs. Zeigarnik effect. People remember unfinished tasks better than finished. Apps show messages like, Profile 60% complete. It motivates users to finish the task. For example, Duolingo app shows a progress bar like, You've completed 3 out of 5 lessons. This encourages users to come back and finish the course because the task feels incomplete. Miller's Law. People can hold about 7 items in their short-term memory. Keep navigation menus short. Around 5 to 7 options is ideal. Having all the information at once without breaks or spacing can overwhelm users. Use cards or sections to group related info, like separating product details, reviews, and price. These are some of the most important UX laws. If you follow them, you'll create better, more user-friendly designs. Thanks for watching.